Hi, I am Dr. Moupia, eye plastic surgeon or oculoplastic surgeon practice at Bangalore. Today I will talk to you about what care you should take in the next few days following cosmetic or aesthetic eyelid surgery. Immediately after the surgery, you would feel sleepy if we have given you sleeping medicines or sedation. Very slight discomfort in the eyelid may be present, which is taken care of by oral or intravenous medicines. All patients are discharged on the same day of surgery. Usually, there will be no bandage in the eyes at the time of discharge, and you would be able to use your mobile or electronic gadgets and even watch television in the evening on the same day of the surgery. Oral antibiotics and anti-inflammatory tablets would be prescribed to be taken after food for 5 days after the surgery. Eye drops and eye ointment has to be applied on the eyes as instructed by your surgeon. If the surgery was done through a cut in the eyelid, then the stitch line needs to be kept clean and dry. The stitch line needs to be cleaned with betadine solution twice daily, and then eye ointment has to be applied on the stitch line. It is advisable to refrain from splashing water on the eyes and face till the wound heals fully, which is about 10 days. Avoid swimming or lifting heavy weights or rigorous exercises for about 2 weeks. Stitch removal is usually done on the 8th day of surgery. Use of eye makeup is allowed after 1 month of surgery. Hope I have answered most of the things that you wanted to know. Please type in comments if you have any more queries, and I shall be happy to answer them. Thank you and have a nice day.